Hey Eric, what's going on in the shop today?
Hey, we're working on this 2013 Audi A4. We're taking care of a radiator for our customer, and I just wanted to take a moment to show everyone how involved some of these jobs can be.
Sure, so how does this job compare to some other vehicles?
So there's a lot of vehicles out there where radiators are very straightforward. They're just in and out, a couple hoses, stuff like that. This one is much more involved than that. As you can see, we have the whole front end, crash bar, all that stuff off the vehicle. We have the new radiator in now, but you can see even with the condenser and the intercooler on there, you still can hardly even see the radiator. So yes, some of these vehicles are super involved. It takes someone with knowledge and care to service these vehicles, and that's why our customer brings this here for us.
Well, thank you, Eric. That's awesome.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
anytime.